In the ongoing tensions and historical military encounters between the United States and Iran, both nations utilize distinct military doctrines and technologies. While the U.S. relies on global power projection and stealth, Iran focuses on asymmetric warfare through missiles and drones. United States, USA. The U.S. military strength is centered on technological superiority and the ability to strike from long distances. Aircraft and drones. F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth fighter capable of evading advanced radar systems. B-21 Raider, stealth bombers designed to penetrate sophisticated air defenses. MQ-9 Reaper, an armed drone used for high-precision strikes and long-endurance surveillance. RQ-4 Global Hawk, a high-altitude surveillance drone, notably shot down by Iran in 2019. Naval power. Nimitz-class aircraft carriers, massive floating air bases that can deploy dozens of fighter jets anywhere in the world. Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, equipped with the Aegis combat system to shoot down incoming missiles and launch Tomahawk cruise missiles. Missile systems. MGM-140 ATACMS, long-range precision missiles launched from ground platforms like HIMARS. Patriot MIM-104, a premier surface-to-air missile system used to defend against incoming aircraft and ballistic missiles. Iran has developed one of the largest and most diverse missile and drone arsenals in the Middle East to counter superior air power. Drones, unmanned aerial vehicles. Shahed 136, a low-cost kamikaze or suicide drone designed to overwhelm air defenses through swarming tactics. Mahajer 6, a multi-purpose drone used for both surveillance and launching small precision-guided munitions. Cruise missiles. Fattah, Iran's recently unveiled hypersonic missile, claimed to be capable of maneuvering at high speeds to bypass defense systems. Khorramshahr 4, a long-range ballistic missile with a heavy warhead. Pave, a long-range cruise missile capable of taking circuitous paths to avoid radar detection. Air defense systems. Bavar 373, a long-range surface-to-air missile system often compared to the Russian S-300, S-400. Third Khordad, the mobile air defense system responsible for intercepting the U.S. Global Hawk drone. Naval assets. Fast Attack Craft, FAC, small, highly maneuverable speedboats armed with missiles and torpedoes, used for hit-and-run tactics in the narrow Strait of Hormuz.